Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deal with your friend in Trust and Impress game of Roblox. Okay, first you're going to join the game, and once you join the Trust and Impress game, you're going to open up this menu, and then you'll see the duo option. Simply click on duo, and you're going to pick your duo. You can invite one of your friends, and then you're going to wait for their confirmation. After they accept your invitation and confirm your invitation, you'll be able to duo with your friend, and you can only do the duo with your friend, guys. So if you want to do duo, make sure that the players are already been friend with you, and you'll be able to invite them to be your duo in Dress to Impress. Simply click on this invite button. Okay guys, and that's how you can do the duo with your friend in a Dress to Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!